Hi guys, thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time watching me, I am Shamika Gardner of Skylar Business and Personal Solutions, and today I want to give you a quick tip about credit utilization. Yes guys, it is so important that if you want to get the maximum bang for your buck while using your credit card, that you keep your utilization below 30%. Yes, below 30%. So what does that mean? If you have a credit limit of $300, before your month cycles over to a new month, you do not want your balance to be more than $90 left on the card. It is always a good idea to pay your balance off in full, but if you cannot, that balance needs to be below 30% in order for it to really report for you in a positive way. Let me also add this. If your balance is above 30% utilization on your card, it is not recommended that you pay the minimum payment. Minimum payment should only be made once you are below your 30%. So if your balance is higher, it is recommended that you pay it down to 30% and then make minimum monthly payments to finish off the rest of your balance if you cannot pay it off in full. Keep in mind that using a credit card wisely can give you maximum potential in getting your score up if used properly. So you want to be sure that you are following these particular guidelines so that when it reports on a monthly basis, your score will be continuing to rise every month. Okay? I just wanted to drop in and give you that quick tip on credit utilization, especially during the holiday season, because I know we will be using those cards to try to get our family some gifts, and I want to make sure that when the season is over, we are still financially fit and we are still financially free. Have a great day.